एवरीवन। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है लीनियर डिपेंडेंट एंड लीनियर इंडिपेंडेंट वेक्टर के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। तो m-n वेक्टर x1 is equal to small x1 power 1, small x1 power 2 up to so on small x1 power n. x2 is equal to x2 power 1, x2 power 2 up to so on x2 power n, up to so on xm is equal to xm power 1, xm power 2 up to so on xm power n is said to be linearly dependent if there exist m elements k1, k2 up to so on km, not all 0, such that k1 x1 plus k2 x2 plus up to so on km xm plus up to so on is equal to 0 is said to be linear dependent if k1 capital X1 plus k2 capital X2 plus up to so on km capital Xm gives k1 is equal to k2 is equal to। नेक्स्ट है हमारा लीनियर इंडिपेंडेंट। Let x1, x2 up to so on xn be vector, we can find scalar a1, a2 up to so on an, not all 0, such that a1 capital X1 plus a2 x2 plus up to so on an xn is equal to 0 is said to be linearly independent however if the relation implies a1 x1 is equal to a2 x2 plus up to so on an xn is equal to 0. We have to take some examples to check the linear dependent or independent vector. So, example x1 is 1, 2, 3, comma x2 is 2, minus 2, 0. Check for linear or independence of vectors. सॉल्व करते हैं। a1, a2 be a scalar. Let a1 x1 plus a2 x2 is equal to 0 as per the definition, which implies a1 x1 is 1, 2, 3 plus a2 x2 is 2 minus 2, 0 is equal to 0, which gives a1 plus 2a2 is equal to 0. 2a1 plus minus 2a2 is equal to 0. 3a1 plus a2 0 is equal to 0. First equation, second equation, third equation. We have three equations. Let us take equation 3. 3a1, a2 multiplied by 0 is 0, plus 0 is equal to 0, which implies 3a1 is equal to 0, a1 is equal to 0. Now put a1 is equal to 0 in equation second. 4 in 2. Now 2 multiplied by a1 is 0, plus minus 2a2 is equal to 0. 2 multiplied by 0 is 0, minus 2a2 is equal to 0, which implies a2 is equal to 0. Since the relation gives a1 is equal to 0, comma a2 is equal to 0, then by definition of vector, are linearly independent. I hope आपको ये टॉपिक समझ आया होगा. Thanks for watching.